Let's explore 10 key tips that will not only kickstart your keto journey but also guide you toward long-term mastery. Mastering keto is more than just a short-term commitment. It's about embracing a lifestyle that ensures lasting success. Understanding the foundations. At the core of keto mastery lies a solid understanding of its principles. Keto is not merely a low-carb diet. It's a metabolic shift where the body transitions from burning carbohydrates for fuel to relying on fats, entering a state known as ketosis. Begin your journey by grasping this fundamental concept. Knowledge is your compass on the road to long-term success. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is the compass that keeps you on course. While the initial excitement might make you want to dive headfirst into extreme changes, remember that sustainable progress takes time. Establish achievable milestones, celebrate small victories, and build momentum for the long run. Embrace meal planning. The importance of meal planning cannot be overstated on the keto journey. Planning your meals in advance not only streamlines your daily routine but also ensures that you have a variety of delicious, keto-friendly options readily available. This proactive approach minimizes the chances of succumbing to convenience and making poor dietary choices. Diversify your plate. Monotony is the enemy of long-term success. Keep your taste buds excited by diversifying your diet. Explore different keto-friendly foods. Experiment with recipes, and discover the vast array of flavors that fit within the keto framework. A varied diet not only keeps things interesting but also ensures you receive a broad spectrum of essential nutrients. Keep an eye on macros. Macronutrients, carbs, proteins, and fats play a pivotal role in keto mastery. Use a reliable app to track your daily intake, ensuring you maintain the appropriate ratios for your goals. Understanding and managing your macros will empower you to make informed choices, optimizing your keto experience. Prioritize hydration. Hydration is not just a good practice, it's a fundamental aspect of keto success. It supports your overall health, promote ketone production, and fend off potential side effects like the keto flu. Integrate exercise into your routine. While diet forms the foundation of keto, exercise is a powerful complement. Regular physical activity enhances fat burning, improves metabolic health, and contributes to your overall well-being. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, cycling, or strength training, and make them a consistent part of your routine. Whole foods for wholesome results. In the pursuit of keto mastery, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Choose quality sources of fats, proteins, and vegetables to ensure you're not only meeting your macronutrient goals but also providing your body with the vitamins and minerals it craves for optimal performance. Practice mindful eating. Amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to fall into the trap of mindless eating. Savor each bite, pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and cultivate a deeper connection with the food you consume. Tracking your progress is vital for long-term success. Keep a food diary, take regular measurements, and snap progress photos to see how far you've come. This way, you can celebrate your achievements while staying accountable to your goals. These essential tips will set you on the path to keto domination and long-term success. Remember to be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey towards a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and support on your keto journey.